As you're obnoxiously aware, everyone gets spam. Even with the best protection, some spam email still slips through the cracks. But you can use applications or extra levels of defense that can help. When it comes to spam emails, never open them, even if you think the subject line is funny or useful and you really want to see the content inside. The reason for this is many times these spam providers have read receipts on the email they sent. This means they know how many people open their emails and which email addresses open their emails. They also know that your email address is legitimate and there is a person who is actively checking that email address. By opening their spam email, you've just told the spammers, send this person even more spam. The same thing goes with responding to spam emails. You're letting them know you exist and that you're a real person. Initially, they'll send out spam to every email address they can think of. Computers randomly generate email addresses, not knowing whether an email address is valid or not. They're testing the waters and seeing where they get bites. Also, be very careful when using your email address to sign up for contests or enter websites. Often, when someone is offering something for free or requesting your email address for something, they're going to sell that email address to marketing and other companies to make money, which results in even more spam. When posting your email to a public website, such as a classified website, always add special breaks in your email address. Don't write out your email address with the proper @ sign or the proper period symbol, because you don't want that link to be easily copied and pasted or clicked on. Spam bots are trolling the internet looking for email addresses to send spam to, and changing to this format prevents them from easily collecting your address. But humans reading that email address can still understand it perfectly.